If you want to fix a product that shows a sold out despite having inventory in Shopify, then here's what you're going to do. First, you're going to head over to products from the left side panel of your screen, and then you're going to click on the product that is having problems. So you're going to click on that, and then from here, you're going to check the inventory section. So for the inventory section, make sure the product is set to track quantity and that the stock number is above 0. And then after that, if you're using variants, just check each variant's inventory separately. Also, make sure continue selling when out of stock isn't mistakenly disabled. So make sure this is enabled. Lastly, check if the product is set as active. So you can see it at the top. So you will see this green right here. If it shows red, it means that it is inactive. Now, this one is important because sometimes products appear sold out simply because they're not available on the online store channel. And that's it. That is how you're going to fix product shows a sold out despite inventory in Shopify. I recently created a 1-hour long step-by-step Shopify tutorial which can help you set up your store in no time. If you want to learn more, click here to watch the full video and I will see you there.